A very big welcome to my old and new subscribers in this channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I made this beautiful bag you see on the screen. So I've gone ahead to cut my fabric. The down is 14 by 8. Then you cut it like an oval shape. It's not really round, it's just like an oval shape. You fold your fabric into four and cut it. Sorry, I couldn't do the video when I was cutting it, but join me in the sewing. Now the main bag is 17 by 21. The width is 21 while the length is 17. So I go ahead to use this material like this and bias the edge that's inside. Doesn't have lining, just to bias it. Now I've gone ahead to do it. The next thing I'm going to do now is to see how neat it's looking. It's very nice. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to fold this into 4 just to get the midpoint. Just to get the midpoint, I will notch it to get the midpoint. So I will know where to put by the two sides of the bag. At that place bias is you use pin and pin it. The other side you use pin and pin it. Then go to your sewing machine and sew it round. Just like I'm doing here. So you pin it just to secure it so it doesn't shift. So you head over to the sewing machine right now and sew it round. Then using the same bias, like material that's serving as well, to bias it round. So I've gone ahead to do it. This is the result. This is how it's looking. It's looking nice. The next thing I will do now is you use the same fabric I'm using to bias it. To bias the mouth. This time I'm going to do it like a lining, but it's not lining. I'll just use that secure the mouth of the bag. After that, you also top stitch it. So I've gone ahead to do it and top stitched it. So the next thing we're going to do now is like the inner small bag, like inner side bag that is usually in the bag. The first thing we're going to do now is just to put the zip. So place your zip and sew it on the top. Then this is how it's looking. After that, you top stitch it and cut the excess and also sew it. Like close the pocket. So this is how it's looking after sewing it. But the next thing we're going to do now is to fix it to the bag, inside of the bag. So the next thing you're going to do now is to determine the center of your bag so that you know how to position the inner bag. So find the midpoint. From the middle, you mark the size of your bag. Yes, you mark the size so that it will be at the position. Just the goal is to position it where to be at the center of the main bag. So at this place we used to turn the that's the top of the bag. You place it inside, in between the main bag and the lining. Now place it like that, use your pin and secure it. Then you go and sew it round, like stop stitch the lining on the bag. Use your pin to secure, then go and stop stitch it on the bag. So I've gone ahead to sew it, and this is how it came out, looking nice. So this is that in the inner bag you normally put your like phone, money while going to market. One good thing about this bag is it can serve you multi purposes. You can use it to carry your laptop, you can use it to go to market, you can use it like even a nursing mother can also use it. So it's a very nice bag idea. So the next thing now is to put the handle of the bag. Now you can use 30 inches, but due to my rope is not enough, I used 25. Now you fixed it, make sure you fold it a bit at the at the edge, then get over to your sewing machine and fix. So this is me trying to position the handle very well so that they will be at the good position in the bag. So I'm using my pin to secure it right now and hold over to my sewing machine and sew it. So at last, this is the end result of this bag, looking beautiful. This bag is very nice. Try it. This is the black color of the bag. I think this. So if this is your first time coming across my channel, please subscribe, like, and comment. Bye.